How to fix Apex Legends engine error code 0x8887a0006, 0x8887a0005, 0x8887a0007, etc. To fix Apex Legends engine error code 0x8887a0006, 0x8887a0005, 0x8887a0007, etc. Try 1. Merge the following: the dot extension code Windows Registry Editor version 5.00 HE _local _ machine /system /current control set /control /graphics drivers TDR delay equals hex B08,00,00,00,00,00,00,00,002. Fix corrupted files. Origin Launcher. 3. Update graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Run the game as admin.